Hi, my name is Shom Sanjay Gowde. I am from Dohi, Maharashtra. I am completed my bachelor degree in computer science in SSUP Science College, Dohi, and I am recently joining Hipshen as a software developer. Today's topic is leadership and influence. We can discuss the some point of leadership and influence. Basically, leadership is the refer to the uh, judge your skill and your inspiration you are achieve the target. Influence is the denote your lifetime goal or your achievement. Leadership is the thinking about to how to work in your life to communicate to other people, and you can take some responsibility and get challenges. Basically, leadership is the benefit to introduce yourself, and we can gain the knowledge or any other through inspiration to other people. Your knowledge you to your knowledge through how to inspire to everyone. This is the leadership. We can discuss some point of good leadership. Good leader can some point in follow. Basically, first point is communication skill. In every industry or every department has everybody is the communication skill is the fluency, because English is the communication medium to communicate one person to another person. We can communicate to industry level or any other level. We can communicate, we can express your knowledge and thinking. We can thinking or your ideas you can speak, and you can express your idea or knowledge in fluency. This is the your strategy. You can how to explain your knowledge. This is depend your communication skill. How to everyone judge your communication to express your knowledge. Basically, communication skill is fluency to can express your ideas and knowledge. Second point is leadership. Best leadership is the uh, team collaboration. In team collaboration is the we can work industry level as a developer or any employee. We can collaborate with your team worker or employees to your ideas and knowledge. We can gain express and give the communication is conservation is properly in team collaboration to can give help or take help in the your senior in best way is to the team collaboration. Every point we can discuss to your senior, and we can communicate each other in we can collaborate and express your thinking. Next point is integrity. Main point is integrity. We can honestly and selfless are in your behavior. You can every work toward work in performing honesty. This is the denote your confidence and your uh, satisfaction, your uh, careness to the any work. We can properly work 100%, give the work your attendance and 100% your priority than work. This is the integrity point. Every work we can give 100% that work to success your company or your success. We can do achieve your goal to collaboration to all members. Next point is self-motivated, because any difficulty situation we can lose your uh, lose you emotionally, and you can lose your motivational. You can inspire you himself to grow with your knowledge and upgrade your knowledge to I am the best in that field. We can every work as a possible. I can work it. It is the motivation himself. We can solve the your complex problem, and he get the face of any problem. We can find the solution. This is the problem solving. We can find any face any problems. Next one is the adaptability. This is the main point of best leader. We can in any environment or any critical situation, you can learn or adapt new thinking and new technology quickly. Your need company or any technology your need, you can upgrade your knowledge and thinking, you can build your strong knowledge. And this is the represent of strong leadership benefit or strong leadership points. Strong leader, we can every work is smartly, we can think properly, observe the unique condition or situation that search or work on this situation. That time we can given the your answer, we properly work this task and perform the particular action. Next point is flexibility, to flexible to all work on all difficulty situation to gain the knowledge. And we are best leader, we can any work is the proper your achieve your goal in lifetime, we can give to implement your knowledge and upgrade your knowledge. This is the main point of best leadership. Thank you.